Hi friends! We are outside today on a beautiful first week of spring. And since it's the first week of spring, we wanted to plant some seeds. So this month we're having a really fun take and make activity, and it involves planting some flower seeds. So you can pick these kits up at the Life Center, and the Life Center will have your bag of organic seed starter mix. It'll be a smaller bag than this. It will also have your little tray where you can plant your seeds. And these are cool because you can just plant this little pot right along with the seed. You don't have to take the plant out of it when it starts to grow. You can just plant this in the ground and it breaks down. It'll have your packet of Marigold Seeds. And so yeah, we're gonna get started and we're gonna show you how to plant these seeds, right?
Yep.
All right, let's go. Okay, so the only supplies that we will need that aren't included in your kit are a pencil, because we're going to use the pencil eraser to make little holes to put our seeds in. And then you'll also need some water. We filled some water up in our little watering can there. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get some of our dirt in this cup. And then we're going to fill each one of our little holes with some dirt. You want to do it? All right. Okay, we decided to take our seed packet and open it up and pour them on a plate so we could see them a little bit better. Now that we've got our dirt in our little holes here, we're going to take our pencil and we're going to use the eraser to make a little hole in each section so we can put our seeds inside. And I like to use a pencil because the depth that you need to plant your seeds is just about the same as the tip of that eraser. So if you put your eraser down into the dirt and pull it back out, that's just about how deep your seeds need to be planted. All right, now we're going to take 2 or 3 seeds and put them in each hole that we made. After you put them in the hole, you want to cover them up with just a little bit of dirt. Okay, now that we have our seeds planted and covered with dirt, we're going to take our watering can and we're just going to give them a little sprinkle of water. Okay, we've got our seeds all planted and watered. Now we're going to keep these inside because it can still get pretty cool at night. So we're going to keep them inside. We're going to set them inside a window where they can stay warm and get plenty of sun. And then when they're ready, when they grow a little bit bigger and they have stronger roots, we'll plant them outside and we'll have some beautiful marigolds. Okay, and so you can pick up your own seed kit at the Life Center. Like I said, they will have the pots and the dirt and the seeds, everything you need to plant some flowers right along with us. You can call the Life Center at 549-4222, or you can stop in there and pick up your kit today. They're only $5.
And I wanted to show you guys the seed.
Yeah, Ivy's going to show you one of the marigold seeds up close. They don't look like ordinary seeds. They look a little different, huh? Mm-hmm. Okay, we hope you guys enjoyed our video. See you soon. Bye.
Yeah, I'm going to go lay on my tree outside.